Why, hello from Disney's Beach Club Villas. We are in Suite 205, and this is going to be a room tour.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
So when you first walk in, you have this lovely little mirror with some hooks. Luggage over here for now, and we have our backpack hanging up and our mask with the mask chain that I sell and make. So if anyone's interested, that's my Rapunzel one. You come in, you have a little kitchenette with a sink, and then they give you Joffrey's coffee and assorted things, and then little hand dish soap and towel, and then coffee maker, paper towel, microwave. Then we have assorted plates and cups and paper towels and a toaster. And then we have a fridge, and then there's your recycling and trash. And if you come over here, you have the bathroom. So you have the one sink, then you have soap and body lotion that they give you, and then nice size mirror with this mirror, and the gorgeous blue walls with the white and storage underneath. You also have your little closet off to the side, which can hold a lot of your luggage. Goes all the way in there. Vacuum cleaner and all your utensils and the safe. So we're going to close that up. Over here is the bathroom. You come in, you have your towels, gorgeous little beach painting, your shower curtain, and no pumps. Thank goodness. Woohoo! Your shower head and a nice sized tub. And more towels and storage. So you come back out. And you come in the main room. You'll see you have your main bed over here with a nice mirror, a pull-out couch, and then we also have a pull-out over here, and you have two dresser drawers. You have two dresser doors right here with a light. I'm a little surprised you don't have USBs or plugins right here, so it's a little let down, but oh well. Then we have in-room dining right now with all that's going on. Again, two drawers over here, a little storage thing here, and then your typical beach picture, which is pretty. Another light, phone with storage, and you have two plugs and two USBs. Your bed and mirror. And then we have the chairs for dining with the TV, and we'll turn it on real quick. Turn the volume way down. Currently 11 p.m. It's late. Today was 66, it's 43 right now. And Friday, January 8th. Now let's see if we can pull this out. And here is a little bed that pulled out. It looks like a twin. And you have the yacht club and beach club right there, which is precious. With the lighthouse and Donald Duck. Oh my goodness. So cute. Alright, that's going to do it for this room tour of Disney's Beach Club Villas. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to tell your friends and family to click subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.